Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys, I had this comment over here, which is obviously from a book author. I really understand it. I will tell you why. I have worked in the past with several book authors. The biggest problem that we had were creatives and the website. The website was not looking so good. Why? Because these people care about their craft, okay? They care about writing the book, they care about all of that, but they are lacking on creating amazing websites or creating very good creatives to sell the book, because the thing that they're good at is actually writing the books. I mean, this website, for example, no offense if Anne, you are watching the video, but here we have a website which is not so good, okay? And by the way, I don't think that it's her website. It's just I just took this one as an example to show you that even if you have very bad creatives, you can do the difference over here. So over here I came to this author over here, and I think I picked this one. Imagine that the only thing that we're having over here is just this image. There's nothing else over here, and just a little bit, just a text about this. So what I did is that I took the URL, as we said, and then I went to AdRoast. Let's click on generate ads over here. Let's click on images. Then you're putting your URL over here. You fetch the details. And because I didn't know what to write or what to do over here, I will just let AdRoast do its thing and do whatever it wants to do. So I will press continue over here. And because it was looking a little bit, you know, it looks red, you know, a little bit of mysticism and all of that, I decided to go with fragrances and take a little bit of that, which is actually a little bit of smoke, dark, moody, oriental scene with curling incense smoke and warm amber light, okay, the amber from, okay, so on that side. So let's see what we have created over here after I picked this one, I think. So basically we have created this. It looks like this. Again, we can improve further, we can do more things here. What I like is that it kept the same font over here. We have this one, looks a little bit better. And we have this one, which I really liked. Okay, so this one is the one that I like the most. So what I thought is that maybe, I don't know, of course, the scenario, maybe the AI have seen something inside there, but I'm guessing that these 2 men are in love with this woman and she doesn't know who to pick. The normal story, you know. I thought that, okay, this is a mistake. How can I change it though? We have the AI edit, okay? So I pressed on the AI edit, and then I came here, and then I asked from the tool to actually swap positions this guy with this woman over here. And this is what I did. So over here, I did it with try your prompt. And basically, I told it swap positions the woman with the guy on the background. Obviously, here we can do many more things. You can put your imagination. But since we are here, let's create another one with another preset maybe. So let's go again to the images. We can use the URL over here. Okay, so let's fetch the details over here. I want to pick another preset this time. We'll find together one. I don't want to put any information. Let's press continue. Let's not go with fragrances this time. Let's try something else. So maybe we have sports supplements home. Yeah, do you want to do something like that because I want it more dark? Remember, whatever we're doing here, it's all about the aesthetics, okay? So here, evening spa bathroom with a round hotel soap and a lid cream pillar candle. No, it doesn't fit. Okay, we go to the darker things here. No, no, I don't think that I want something from here. Maybe we can go to beauty and find something. The eyes block. Do we want it to put on an ice block? No, it's not gonna be a good fit. We're adding 500 to 1000 presets every month. So you're gonna see many more presets when you're gonna come inside AdRoast. This one I don't like. I think I will take again from the fragrances. Okay, so I think we are closer here. Let's say that we want something a little bit darker. What about this one? So black velvet spotlight cinematic. Maybe. Okay, let's use this one. Let's see what it's gonna do. Remember, it's not about the product, it's about the aesthetics of the preset, okay? The different lighting, the different colors and all of that. Do we wanna put it on a rain day? Moody, cozy and all of that. Do we wanna put it on a rainy day? Do we wanna put it on another concept? I don't know. Maybe we can put it on this concept, for example, okay, which is studio fragrance shot in dark stone with mist metallic highlights, okay. I'm thinking of using this one, which is more of a dark thing. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, so we have the generation. This is the style. It's the velvet, as we discussed. Remember, for all of these creatives, we just had this. Just a very bad landing page and everything. Obviously, if you have good creatives and you don't fix your landing page, it's not gonna be better, but you can do creatives for your landing page also from AdRoast, okay? So over here, we're having this, we're having this, which looks nice in my opinion, and we have this. Now, my big question is, why is my AI tool always putting these two men together and I have to change that through my, AI edit thing, okay? So first of all, let's fix the lady, okay? So the lady, let's go to the trigger prompt. So replace the woman with the blonde woman from the book cover. So first things first. Okay, so we did that. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, she's there. Now we need to fix the other thing, if we have to fix it. Wait, bear with me. I will explain in a bit. So over here, this one, we need to change. So how are we gonna do it? Make the man in the background less flirty. Let's see. Okay, we fixed the problem. So here now we can see that they're not flirting. The before was that. Now they even make a heart over here. Okay. Now this is that. That is very good. Okay. Now why my AI tool is putting those two people all the time doing that? I have the answer because I went to Claude and I asked about this book and what is actually doing. Spoiler alert, if you just want to read this book, of course. So over here, I asked, find info about this book. Does it have any homosexual mentions? Because I couldn't understand why in every single case it was putting them together like this and not the woman. Obviously, on this image over here, it does look like she's flirting with him. But for some reason it should have done. And then it says that the plot James Parker has unresolved feelings for actor Nathan, this guy, his ex-lover, whom he left behind 2 years earlier to seek fortune in the California goldfields. When he, as Winnie Sherman catches James kissing a man, she blackmailed him, blah, 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 that the clear love story was between the men, okay? So this is what we have over here, and this is why AdRoast was doing this spoil, okay? But with AI edit, we can fix it. I hope that all of this thing is gonna convince you that yes, you can do ads for your fiction books. Okay, so now let's go into a more crazy thing. So let's say that you don't have any image, okay? But you just have text. Over here, I'm not gonna put an image, I'm putting a URL, obviously I'm gonna try, but this is what you're gonna do, okay? So I'm the author of this book and I want to get creatives that show a woman reading the book in a cozy living room around evening when the sun goes down with a blanket and some candles lit, looking that she's deep focused on reading the book and having agony of what is about what is next, okay? Let's see what we're gonna get out of that. So after I'm done with that, I'm pressing enhance with AI so that we can get a brief over here, which is gonna write a better prompt from us basically. And let's continue. Preset. Let's go and try to find the living room actually here, since we wanna be in that area. Do we wanna have something which is darker like this? Maybe, which is darker. Okay, maybe we wanna have something which is more chill. I like this one. So this one is matte ceramic table, lounge on wood, sideboards, cozy evening interiors, which is what I said also, okay? I think I'm gonna use that. Let's see how it's gonna do. So for the previous step is something which is really important is that we realize that people don't know prompting. So over there, when you go, we will go to our generation soon. When we go here, the images on describe, you will write what you want and you will press enhance with AI, or you're not gonna be able to go to the next step. Because people write stupid things, with enhance AI, it's gonna help you write the right prompt for it. So here, what do we have? We have this one, it actually has different, book cover, but we're gonna fix that, as I said. But the whole point is for us to generate what we asked, okay? So we have this one with the blanket and everything. I like also this one, where the world fades away and stuff. So let's say that we're gonna take this one and put AI edit. And this time, we're gonna go to the try prompt and we're gonna come here and we're gonna save this one. Okay, and we're gonna say here that adjust the book cover with the right book cover from the reference image. And we go from this one, which is the wrong book cover, to this one, which is our right book cover. If after all of that, you cannot believe that AdRoast can work also for fiction books, I don't know what else I can do to convince you. Pretty happy with all of the ads. Easily you could run these ads. Obviously the problem was not gonna be about the ads getting traffic, it was gonna be about selling the book for $2, as I have seen, $2 or $3. Creatives are creatives, the funnels are the funnels, the offer is the offer, there are different things. For sure, AdRoast here did some really good job on actually creating this concepts over here. And imagine that we only started from this one here. We had nothing else. I have another video over here if you wanna learn more about AdRoast and what it can do.